Here's how to download and install LDPlayer on your Windows PC or laptop. Open your browser and go to ldplayer.net, the official LDPlayer website. Click the Download button on the home page. The installer will download to your computer in a few seconds. Open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission to make changes. The setup window will appear. Click Overwrite Install to begin. Wait a few minutes for the installation to complete. Once finished, LDPlayer will launch automatically. The first launch takes a little longer than usual as it sets up the Android environment on your system. This is normal and only happens once. After setup completes, you will see the main LDPlayer interface with access to the LDPlayer Store and the Google Play Store, where you can install any Android app or game you want. A tip: LDPlayer is specifically optimized for gaming and handles keyboard and mouse mapping automatically for most titles, which makes it one of the better choices over general-purpose emulators for gaming use. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.